They're doing a whole bunch of construction on the side of the road, and a huge rock just hit our car from them doing construction over there. Got my little gourmet meal back here. Some more water and breakfast.
Could have taken the lid off.
It's a super cute little place though.
It is.
With the airplanes.
Sorry, I'm on garbage.
Had a little pee stop. We have a little restaurant over there. Little gas station. It's cute. And then we have like an hour to get to where we are wanting to go, so just needed to stop. This is the first time we've been out of the province in over a year, so it feels really free. It's freeing to be out. That's what I was talking about.
In 1.5 kilometers. Are we supposed to turn right?
It's so cool! It's red and white!
Sleep reported ahead.
I'm filming it.
It's a turtle! It's a big turtle. I thought it was an alligator.
I wouldn't get too close. Okay, I wouldn't get too close to it, lady. That thing will bite you.
Whoa, you wanted to see a turtle cross!
I wanted to see. Oh, not even taping.
I got it.
I wanted to see the turtle crossing.
Check if he's on
Where
the
is
grass.
he? Oh, look at the size of him. Can you hear? Can you videotape the turtle?
Oh, start of the trail. You guys are gonna be sore.
My knees already getting sore.
I should have kept my shorts on at home.
You like this kind of a hold?
like an old church or something here. It's really cool. It's very, very rocky, but look how beautiful. What the heck? Oh, you're hot.
That means. But it is a hard one.
Now going back. To the car.
Just got him right in front of my eye. Oh, he's right here.
Where?
Right here.
There'll be another one somewhere.
Right on that log there. Give me a piece of bread.
There's gotta be another one. Something's dropping something from the tree.
There's something picking me. I just don't want it to be a tick. This makes me miss camping. I just want to go camping. It's peaceful out here.
On the rock.
You want me to try?
If I was inclined to do it, I could get
Where'd he go?
On the
on the
log.
log. Oh,
Not
and
really
bye-bye.
Where'd he go?
You went over.
Okay, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Could be ticks.
Ooh. Beautiful. Nature. What? Kid. Child.
Going to the swamp.
Why did the turtle cross the road?
He's going to Charlie's house.
Because there's water there.
Oh, that's gonna be a whole new meaning to that joke now.
Couldn't grab your own?
No.
Trip down to
Taco
Budford.
Bell though. Here's a vet there.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Today was a long day. So it's almost 11 o'clock p.m. so I'm just catching you up a little bit. For starters, the little mini clip when we were stopped on the side of the road this morning, I didn't give a good enough explanation, but we were stopped there because when we were driving to go get breakfast, there was like construction on the side of the road on the boardwalk where people are passing and jogging and everything, walking dogs, doing whatever. We heard a huge bonk on the car. It was a rock. We didn't know if it hit the windshields or anything, but it didn't. So we got out. We parked on the side of the road. My dad checked, and there is a big dent in the top, the roof of the car. I think there's some paint chipped off. We talked to the people, and we have to go back tomorrow to talk to the people that were doing the certain thing that made the rock fly up. So anyway, that was that. And then we drove up. We went to Ottawa. So we went to 2 different provinces today, which was amazing. It felt like we were on vacation in the States or something, because we haven't been out of our province in a year and a half. Like, it was a big deal. It felt freeing to be out. When we were driving, there was a guy on a bicycle on the other side of the road coming towards us, like on the other side of traffic, and he told us to slow down, so we were like, okay. So my dad slowed down, and then we came up upon cars. There was cars stopped on both sides of the street, and there was an animal in the middle of the road, and we were like, is that I thought it was a raccoon, then I thought it was an alligator. Turns out it was a turtle. Turtle crossing the road. There were turtle crossing signs on the side of the road, but usually it's like, oh, okay, you know, you see like deer crossings, elk crossings, turtle crossings sometimes, but you never legitimately see the animals. At least we never do. There was a huge, it was big turtle crossing the road. And then we finally found our destination, and it was so nice. It was short, it was like 30 minutes, but it was really good. We all enjoyed it. So that was our day, with a little bit of extra in the beginning. It was a good family day, except we were missing Shane and Matthew. But I want to go back with them next time. I want to go to like downtown Ottawa and look around and stuff, and there's outlets that I want to go to. But we did what we wanted to do. So it was a good day. Hope you guys had a good day. I hope you are spreading kindness and being nice to people. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.